1 year ago, we hit the podium of most funded fidget pens on Kickstarter. You can break it, you can flip it, you can do all kinds of amazing stuff with it. Cool, right? Plus it brings the smoothest writing experience. But what really made it so successful? Why the heck people want to break a pen so desperately? After carefully analyzing our backer feedback, a simple conclusion emerged. Break the pen, break the stress. Let's be real. Who doesn't want to break things when they're stressed out? MEZMOPEN gives you that satisfaction without any consequences. Like a glitch in the matrix that lets you undo the damage as many times as you like. And now, it's back. Introducing 4 solid materials. Heavy copper, beautiful brass, everlasting stainless steel, and specially for the EDC geeks, transparent Ultim. Each material brings a totally different fidgeting experience, and all of them are built to last a lifetime. Every pen is precision machined from 18 individual parts. Strong neodymium magnets unlock infinite ways to play. The more you use it, the more unique patterns and patina it develops. So look no more. Grab your pen now and break it forever.